Tear. Meaning, to rip or split something by pulling it apart. Example, I tore my shirt on the fence. Shatter. Meaning, to break into many small pieces. Example, the window shattered when the ball hit it. Wear out. Meaning, to use something so much that it becomes damaged and unusable. Example, my shoes are worn out from all the walking. Decay. Meaning, to gradually become damaged or weaker. Example, the wood began to decay after years of neglect. Scratch. Meaning, to make a small cut or mark on a surface. Example, my cat scratched the furniture. Wreck. Meaning, to destroy or severely damage something. Example, the storm wrecked several ships. Fracture. Meaning, a break or crack in something hard, especially a bone. Example, he suffered a fracture in his arm. Dent. Meaning, a small hollow mark in the surface of something caused by pressure. Example, the car has a dent in the bumper. Ruin. Meaning, to spoil or destroy something completely. Example, the rain ruined our picnic. Smash. Meaning, to break something into many pieces violently. Example, he smashed the glass bottle on the ground. Corrode. Meaning, to gradually destroy or weaken something by chemical action. Example, the metal began to corrode after being exposed to water. Burst. Meaning, to break open or apart suddenly and violently. Example, the pipe burst and flooded the basement. Deform. Meaning, to change the shape of something so that it looks different from its original form. Example, the heat deformed the plastic bottle. Harm. Meaning, to cause physical injury or damage to something. Example, smoking can harm your health. Destroy. meaning to damage something so badly that it no longer exists or cannot be used. Example: the fire destroyed the building. Scuff, meaning to make a mark on something by rubbing it against a rough surface. Example: she scuffed her new shoes on the sidewalk. Break, meaning to cause something to separate into pieces suddenly or violently. Example: I accidentally broke the vase. Defatze, meaning to damage the appearance or surface of something. Example: vandals defaced the statue with graffiti. Crack, meaning a line on the surface of something where it has broken. Example: there's a crack in the wall. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.